sentence, but still let's check if it's true sentence. Gemma, who is a 22-year-old secretary from Epson, and as you can see here, there is a relative clause and between two commas, which means we know Gemma even when we don't provide this detail, but we have to give more information to post-modify more information about Gemma. And here we still have the first part, that is loves shopping. Finally, we can say the text of our today deals with Gemma, who is a 22-year-old secretary from Epson and who loves shopping. So here you can think of other sentences. For example, let's check another word from these adverts, from the world of these adverts, like addiction. Why don't you start with the word addiction and try to find other sentences? Right. Now, what I'd like you to do here, to focus on the following exercise. Answer the following question. When does a habit become an addiction? Here's an answer provided by a pupil, but unfortunately, he made a mistake in using the different derivatives or derivations from the word addict. Let's check it. There is a fine line. You may love shopping, but then find yourself unable to stop. People become, and he suggested here, addiction. But as you can see, become to shopping, and we have to, which means we cannot write a noun here. We need an adjective. So we can say normally become. Can you find the adjective in these three words? Yeah, we speak of addicted. They become addicted to shopping because they feel bored. Now, addict, feel satisfied. You can notice that addict is not in the right place here. Normally, we need a noun. Yes, we don't need a noun in the singular because we have in the present and in the singular form, yes, because we have feel without an S. So we need a word, a noun that is in the plural. And that's why I suggest, and I think you also, you suggest addict rather than addict. And of course, we have to change this and we get addicts feel satisfied when they buy something, but they lose interest in it because it no longer excites them, or feel repulsed because it represents their. It presents their. We have a possessive, so we need a noun. And what the two words left are addiction and addict. And of course, we have to get the noun, which is it presents their addiction. Now, a serious. When I say a serious, and of course I speak of addict, we'll think about what he can buy as soon as he wakes up, and it's the last thing he thinks about when he goes to bed. Now, as I said from the beginning, in the poem, when I wrote the poem, I asked you to focus on, to listen to the whole story and to be ready to have your say. And this is what I'd like you to do in the end. Now, after we've listened, or you've listened, I hopefully think that you listened to the whole lesson and you're ready to try to find ways or means to avoid being enslaved by consumerism. Forsaking all goods doesn't free you from the tight chains of consumerism, which means you always want to get more and to consume more if you become an addict. Now, let's check the last word in this world of adverbs, and it is the end. I hopefully think it's not the end of the world, or it's not the destruction, because I'd like you to find some solutions, and not only you, but everyone, environmentalists, and every person also has to participate in finding a solution for this problem. But it's the end of our lesson today. I hope it was helpful, and good luck. Goodbye.